What's going on, everybody? It's your favorite realtor agent, Ed Banks. Today we are at the lovely and beautiful Haynes Lake community built by Mungo Homes here in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Today they are allowing us to check out not one, not two, but 3 of their beautiful floor plans that they have built here that can be built on the lake. This floor plan we're looking at right here, this is the Turner floor plan. This is a huge 6-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom property that is 3,000 square feet. So with all that new information you just received, let's go see what it looks like. As soon as you walk inside this lovely home, to the right, you actually have your first bedroom with its own bathroom and its own closet. And as you walk inside this entry, you have your lovely dining area, followed by this large living room, ending with this beautiful open concept kitchen with this lovely long island and a walk-in pantry in the back. Now, as you can see, we are upstairs where the other 5 bedrooms are, the loft and the primary suite. This primary suite has its own shower, walk-in closet, and 2 linen closets. So with all that information being said about this Turner plan, is this something you will buy? If so, let me know and I'll get you started. Here we have the Dawson floor plan. As you can see, this is a very beautiful house. It is 3 beds, 2.5 bathrooms with 1,600 square feet, 2 stories, and a 1-car garage. So with all that being said, let's go check it out. So as soon as you walk inside the Dawson floor plan, to the left, you actually have your half bathroom, then you have your garage entry, followed by your open kitchen. The kitchen has its own granite countertops and its Frigidaire appliances, giving it a unique personality. So as soon as you walk upstairs in the Dawson floor plan, you have 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, with the primary suite having its own tray ceilings and large walk-in closet. That pretty much sums up the Dawson floor plan. If you're interested in this floor plan, have any questions about it, or you want to see what it takes to purchase this lovely $310,000 property, feel free to DM me today and I'll get you started. Last but not least, we have the Webster floor plan. This huge beauty right here behind me is $470,000. It's 3,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, with the option to actually make it 6 bedrooms yourself if you want to. So after you check out this property, let me know if you like it, and I'd love to get you started. The community amenities here at Haynes Lake includes a pool, it includes a playground, cornhole, common area space, and even walking trails. And of course, it has the 26-acre lake lot available to everybody in this community. With all that being said, the HOA is a little pricey at $800 a year, but let me know if you like this property, if you have any questions, if you want to get pre-approved to buy it, just DM me. It's easy to reach out to me and work with me, and I'd love to get you started. All right.